I'm working on some really large picture frames, and I added wooden splines to the corners for appearance and strength. And normally, once I get the splines in there, I'll use either a handsaw or sometimes the table saw and a table saw sled to trim off the excess that's left over after you put the spline in. Now, in this case, that wasn't really going to work because this didn't fit on the table saw, so I'm going to use the router table instead. The main thing you need to watch out for when doing it this way is grain direction. Now this spline has the grain running this way because that's where the strength comes from. If it was going this way, then it could easily split. But I want to make sure that I don't chip out the corner of this spline. So if I were to cut in this direction, it would put pressure towards that corner and chip it out. And that's happened to me before a few times. So with this router bit, it's spinning in this direction and cutting this way. So I'm going to make 4 cuts on this side, and that way I'm running uphill on that grain and it's not going to chip anything out. And then I'll flip the whole thing over so that I can have this side running against the bit so that it's once again cutting uphill in that direction. And then I should have a very cleanly cut spline after that. That only requires a little bit of sanding.